Hey guys, Got No Stance back here with another video. Today we're going to be doing some interior mods on the old Ranger. So I got a steering wheel cover and an LED dome light. I got the LED dome light because I tinted my windows with 5% tint. You guys will be seeing that video in 1 or 2 weeks. I still have to finish that back window because there's no tint, there's 5%, so it's a pretty big difference. And the dome light I have in there now, it's all yellow and it doesn't look cool. So that's why I got the LED. And then I got the steering wheel cover because my steering wheel is all chewed up. This truck was a work truck, and every work truck I've ever been in has a chewed up steering wheel and chewed up seats like this. So I'm gonna install the steering wheel cover and then the LED dome light. I hope that angle is alright. I got you up on my new tripod. I hope you guys enjoy the angle instead of my shaky hand, even though I only have 9 subscribers, you know. Whatever. So here's the steering wheel cover. I got this one because it's the one I liked the most. It was like 26 bucks, but it's the only one that I liked. The other ones just feel really cheap to me, and I like to keep my truck like nice, stock, clean, you know, just a nice OEM plus build. So the part number on this is SW-121, if anyone's interested. So it's, the packaging said it was genuine leather. I don't know about that, but whatever. So a lot of people put it like this, with this rib here on the top, like a racetrack or something, but I'm gonna put the Ford Racing on the top because I think that looks the best. So let's get to it. It took me like 5 minutes just to get the plastic out of here, and I installed one of these before and it was quite a pain, so I'm hoping this doesn't take me a half hour. Alright guys, I got the steering wheel cover installed. That literally took me over an hour. So I was filming like halfway through, so I just stopped because it was taking me forever. That was horrible. Yeah, so let's move on to the dome light. Alright, so I got these Yorkim or whatever LEDs. They look like this. I got round ones before, but they didn't shine the light all around, and they hit the internal like plastic pieces up in there. So I'm only going to install one, but my third brake light uses these bulbs as well. So I'm thinking if I can get to the third brake light in here, I'll do that as well, because I don't want to take out the third brake light from the roof, because then it'll probably leak, and then that'll just cause me more problems. So let's get her done. So to get that plastic cover off, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver here, and just pry on one of the tabs here, and it should come right off. There we go. Now your light, it just pulls right out, or it should, yeah. And as you can see, this bulb's supposed to be clear. It's got a nice black tint to it or whatever. So let's get these LEDs on. So if you are reinstalling halogen bulbs, you're not supposed to touch them with your fingers because the oils from your fingers can burn them out. But on LEDs, I don't really think it matters. But here's what this one looks like. It doesn't have LEDs on the sides, I don't think. Yeah, so it's got a 9 there, 3 up top, then 9 on the other side. So all you do is stick it back in the way the other one was. Alright, now let's check to see if it works. Nope. Alright. Maybe it wasn't pushed in far enough, I don't know. Nope. Alright. on LEDs, there's a polarity, so you might just have to switch them around. It's no big deal. Alright, so I got it installed the other way. Now let's see if it works. Nope. I don't really know what the problem is here. Alright, I pushed it in a little bit. No. Let's try to turn it around one more time here. Maybe I put it in the same way I took it out. I don't really know. Oh. The bulb's sitting on this plastic piece here, so I'm gonna have to maybe make a modification. Alright guys, so I took this plastic piece that holds your light out of here, and then there was this piece over where the light connects here, and this protector here was too small for my new LED, so I'm just gonna run this without that. I don't think it'll hurt anything. So let's get the LED in here and let's put this back in there. Alright guys, I got the light in there and I got all the screws back in there. Now let's check to see if this works. Oh yeah, there we go. That's way brighter than the other one, but I still need to put that cover over it. I broke a clip right there. I don't know if you guys will be able to focus in on that or not. Yeah, that's supposed to be a square like that, but it ain't, so I'm gonna have to tape this up there or something like that. But this is it. That light's way freaking brighter than the other one, and the steering wheel cover looks way better than the steering wheel itself. Sorry for the crappy angle. You guys are plugged in here. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.